And here we go. So today we are at 1846 Larkin, apartment number 4. So this one bedroom unit with an estimated square feet of 650 square feet comes over to the market with a rental tag of $2,250. One bedroom closet, hardwood floors, typical Edwardian apartment. And to see it or what you need to do, contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017. We are just one block from a ton of really nice restaurants and all sort of convenience stores. Matter of fact, there is one on the corner and a laundry too. And once again, unit number 4 comes over to the market with a rental tag of $2,250. And to see it, all what you need to do is to contact Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017. Thank you. Have an amazing day.